Sometimes you need a little help getting the most from your HP products. That's why HP Support created this channel, to answer questions, troubleshoot problems, and share expert tips. Looking for something specific? On mobile, add @HP Support to your search to quickly find official HP videos for your product or issue. Watch videos in the language that works best for you using YouTube's language and caption settings. Need one specific step? Jump straight to it with video chapters. Or use the transcript to quickly follow along and navigate to key moments. Looking for quick tips? Browse shorts for bite-sized how-to videos and helpful tricks. Whether you're setting up a new device, learning something new, or solving a problem, HP Support is here to help. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know what you'd like to see next.